What's up, guys? Welcome to a snowy episode for some definition of snow. So, I'm in the desert in New Mexico, and we get about one snow a year, and this might have been it. And it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I missed sunrise. It's already almost gone, but there's still something on the mountains. And also, I wanted to get snowy birds, so I want to go out to the cactus and stuff. But there's an overlook on the way out, and it looks really promising. All right, doing this without camera lady kind of sucks, but it is not her time. She doesn't get up in the morning unless it's an emergency. That's okay. Oh yeah, check this out. We got some nice morning city light. This would make a really nice time lapse. The problem is, I don't know if I want to stay for a time lapse, because now that the sun's up, I want to get to the birds before the snow melts on the cactus. But man, this is pretty. All right, well, I did a short time lapse. It's not the best thing I've ever seen. I got a couple shots with the long lens. It was a nice scene, but nothing amazing. It feels really good to get outside in the cold. I actually like it a lot. All right, I'm gonna go try to run over to the cactus spot and see if I can get some birds in any sort of leftover snow, although the light is getting really harsh now. All right, made it to the cactus spot. The trails are back there. I shouldn't be allowed to do videos by myself, like without camera lady. I've messed up so many times today I dropped the camera, I forgot things, I had the wrong settings. What a lame YouTuber. All right, let's get out there before the snow melts. Right here at the trail, there's a phainopepla. Right there. They're my favorite goth birds. They're all black with mohawks. I haven't gotten one in quite a while. I'm rocking the OM today because it's just easier right now. But this will help because this is 800 millimeters. What would really help is if I take it off of... Oh, there's a bluebird. Wow, there's a whole flock of bluebirds right here. Right on top of the juniper. No snow on the trees where they're at, but I'll take a bluebird any day. Oh, there's one. I was gonna go get some cactus birds, like some cactus wrens and curb-billed thrashers and stuff, but I kind of want to hang out with these bluebirds. I'm just gonna go right. Oh, there's something else. I don't know what that is. Also, look at this. I brought out my super thick, ultra, crazy winter jacket that I've actually never worn before because I bought it last year and it's never been cold enough. I just don't get cold easily. It takes a lot for me to get cold. And it's like 28 degrees out right now. And this is maybe a little too much, but it is good wind protection. And I like the fuzzies. Alright, got my first cactus run. He was right up there on that ridge in a cactus. Very far away. Oh, he's still there. I can still see him. It's kind of a snowy cactus. It's backlit. I don't know. Let's see if I can get closer. Oh, that was cool. Just there's a big tall yucca back there up on the horizon. And I just got a flicker, northern flicker that flew onto it. Super far away, but it's backlit, but kind of cool looking. There's some like houses and stuff back there, but if I can angle it just right, I can just get him in the mountain. Except that I'm trapped by all these spiky plants. Alright, well, apparently I did the thing where you hit record and then didn't realize you hit record and then hit record again, and you think that it's recording, but it's not. So the whole outro didn't get recorded at all. Like I said earlier, I should not be allowed to make videos by myself anymore. Anyways, that's all I got for today. Nothing serious, nothing amazing. I just wanted to get outside and enjoy the one pittance day of a winter that I get. And I just wanted to show you guys some snowy cactus and maybe a couple of birds. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you're having a good 2026 wherever you are so far. And that's it. It's chai time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.